How to add upsell product add-ons to your Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, go to your Shopify App Store and locate Shopify Search and Discovery app and click on Install. Next up, what you need to do is basically just open up the app like so, and you should be able to find the option Recommendations. Simply click on that. And then you're just going to go ahead and start adding recommendations to these products. So these are going to be basically like upsells if you want to. So let's say, for example, I will just take silver as the example here. And what I'm going to do is add the complementary products to this one. So what I'm going to do is just click on browse, and I should be able to find all the other products that are available. And let's say I'm just going to add the golden bracelet as an example and click on add. And now I have this as the complementary product. So you can just go and click on save. And basically now just repeat the process to the different add-ons that you want to add for each product that you have. For example, golden bracelet, you would want to go for it. Again, edit the complementary products and add them in here and just hit save. So once this is done, what we want to do, just click on online store. Go to themes and click on edit theme. Next up, we're just going to go ahead and open up the default product page. In my case, I'm just going to go for this one because this is the one that we have adjusted. Okay, so right now, if you scroll down, you should be able to find you may also like, and it's just going to be the default recommended products. But we want to change that so it's something else. So what we want to do is just click on the recommended products section and make sure that the type now is going to be set as complementary. And this is just going to switch it to become only the products that you actually add as upsell add-ons. It's just going to be that for your product. You can just go and click on save, and now you're pretty much good to go. Now, I need to note that if you go to another product that you didn't actually add complementary products to within the Shopify Search and Discovery app, you're not going to find this entire section. It's just going to disappear. For example, the golden bracelet, I did not add any complementary products to it as upsells. So if I scroll down, you're not going to find the you may also like option. It's just going to be gone. So make sure you add upsells, add-ons to each individual product. And that's pretty much all you need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.